Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2014 Ford F-150. Tools needed for the installation is a 1/4 screwdriver with a 10mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, panel popper, and some masking tape. Now let's get started. First, let's start by opening the hood. Next, we're going to remove the liner. To open up the liner, we need to remove the retainer clip. So using your Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and loosen the screw. You can take your panel popper and unclip it. Open it up. Next, we're going to remove 3 10mm bolts. We have 1, 2, and 3. Next, before unseating the headlight, I'll apply masking tape on the paint of the valence to prevent any scratches. Next, you're going to grab your headlight firmly and carefully pull straight forward. So you're going to disconnect the side marker bulb socket, turning counterclockwise. You want to make sure the gasket's on there. And then unplug the high beam, low beam. And unplug the parking turn signal. Bring over your Spyder headlight, turn it to the back. Take your side marker socket, make sure the gasket seal is there to prevent any moisture. Install it. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Plug in your high beam, low beam. Make sure it's secure. Plug in your parking turn signal. Make sure it's secure. We're going to drop these clips and guide pins, line them up with the holes. Tuck your wires out the way. Carefully seat it. Reinstall your 3 10mm bolts. Next, reinstall your liner and your retainer clip. Tighten it down. And now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.